Hey, Nathan from the Phantom Booster team. I'm back with another playbook. This time we will take a look on how to make your LinkedIn outreach way more effective. Have you ever noticed some call messages just land better than others? Most of the time it comes down to one thing, familiarity. Before jumping into someone's DMs, it helps to do a bit of social warming. And no, we are not talking about small talk. We are talking about simple actions like visiting the profile, following them, liking a recent post. These subtle moves helps you get on their radar without saying a word. It's a core part of social selling, and guess what? LinkedIn data shows social sellers are 51% more likely to hit their sales targets. So yeah, it works. In this playbook, I will show you exactly how to automate those key social warming steps so you can build familiarity before you reach out and start your conversations on the right foot. Let's jump in and get started. I extracted these 70 profiles on Sales Navigator, sales managers in San Francisco. Now I would like to visit automatically their profile and even follow them. Later, I would like to maybe like one of their posts. So the first thing we will do here, we will go on the solutions on LinkedIn, and then we will enter visits, select the LinkedIn profile visitor. On the input here, I will select a phantom. So it's this one, sales manager in San Francisco. I will save, connect my LinkedIn. Here I have the choice of getting their professional email if I want, but I don't really need it. So I will just save behavior. I will select 10 profiles to visit per launch. And remember that you are limited to visiting 80 profiles per working days. So on the launch setting, you can click on repeatedly and launch it like 8 times per day. This will work. You will visit 80 profiles a day. Then I will click save and I will launch my phantom. Now I will be able to visit the profiles of my leads once. Then I would like to follow automatically these leads before actually sending them a connection request. So they will see me coming in their notification feed once again. So I will select the LinkedIn auto follow here, click on use now. As an input, I will select sales manager in San Francisco. I will save, then save again, 10 profiles per launch. I don't need to discover the professional email, so I'll click save. And on the launch setting, I would like to do this action after the phantom of visiting profiles. So I will select after another phantom, and here I'm selecting the profile visitor. This is important because I don't want to follow these people before visiting their profile. I would like to do first like the visit of the profile, and then later on they will see that I'm following them on LinkedIn. So this will be a more natural action. So I will save and I will launch my phantom. Another smart way to bring visibility to your profile is to like one or multiple of their LinkedIn posts. So for this, you will need to use two steps. The first one will be the extraction of their activities. So it means the extraction of their last LinkedIn post. And then the second step will be to auto-like these posts. So for this, on the first step, you will use the LinkedIn activity extractor phantom. You will provide as an input your phantom, so the sales manager in San Francisco, in our example, connect your LinkedIn accounts. On the behavior, then I just want to extract the post, so I will leave post. I don't want to extract the comments and so on. And then I will click save and launch my phantom. Okay, so I extracted the latest activities from my LinkedIn leads, so the latest post published on LinkedIn. So now I will be able to auto-like these posts. I will go on browsing the solutions on LinkedIn, and I will type like, and I will use the LinkedIn auto-liker. As an input, I will choose my phantoms, and I will select the correct one, the LinkedIn activity extractor. Click save, connect my LinkedIn accounts. And then important thing here on the behavior, I don't want to like all of the posts I've been extracted because this will be too much. Remember that we selected 20 posts extracted by LinkedIn leads. So I would just like to like maybe 3 of them. That's enough. I will click save. On the launch settings, I will click on repeatedly because I don't want to like all the posts in once because this will put my LinkedIn account at risk. I will process the phantom once per day and then I will click save and launch it. All right, that's the process for warming up your leads on LinkedIn. You saw how to automate profile visits, follow the prospects, and like their posts, all before ever sending a message. It's a simple but powerful way to build a bit of recognition and trust upfront. This small step can make a big difference and turn cold outreach into something that actually gets noticed. Hope it helps. Catch you in the next playbook.